Question 1. You're driving along a motorway and switch on adaptive cruise control. What are you now allowed to do? A. Eat and drink. B. Remove your seatbelt. C. Use your handheld mobile phone. Or D. Check the road signs. Okay, so when using advanced driver assistant systems, ADAS, you're responsible for your vehicle and you need to stay in control of the systems. They're not the same as self-driving functions, so you must remain alert and be ready to intervene if the system does not work correctly. So the correct answer here is check the road signs. Question 2. Which sign means there's a double bend ahead? Top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right? And the correct answer is bottom left. A triangular sign warning you of a hazard ahead, and the hazard in this case is the double bend. Question 3. What's covered by third-party insurance? A. Damage to your vehicle. B. Flood damage to your vehicle. C. Fire damage to your vehicle. Or D. Damage to other vehicles. So third-party insurance is the minimum type of insurance you need to have, which covers damage to other vehicles. Question 4. You're driving on a clear night. Which lights should you use if the national speed limit applies and there's a steady stream of oncoming traffic? A. Side lights. B. Dipped headlights. C. Full beam headlights. Or D. Fog lights. The night is clear and there is a steady stream of oncoming traffic. In this case, there's no mention of fog, so we don't need fog lights. Full beam headlights, we don't need to use it because there is a steady stream of oncoming traffic. We don't want to dazzle them. So the correct answer here is dipped headlights. Question 5. What does this sign mean? Okay, so this sign you will see on a motorway. A. Lane for heavy and slow vehicles. B. All lorries use the hard shoulder. C. Rest area for lorries. Or D. Leave motorway at next exit. So this lane, you will get it on a motorway. It's for heavy and slow vehicles, known as a crawler lane. Okay. So where there's a long, steep uphill gradient on a motorway, a crawler lane may be provided. This helps the traffic to flow by diverting the slower heavy vehicles into a dedicated lane on the left. Question 6. What color are the reflective studs between the lanes on a motorway? Amber, red, green, or white? So between the lanes, it's white. Question 7. Which sign means turn left ahead? Top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right? So the bottom left here means that to turn left ahead. Question 8. What's the national speed limit on a single carriageway road? 60, 40, 50, or 70? The national speed limit on a single carriageway is 60 miles per hour. So for your real theory test, you need to know these numbers and understand, okay, what the difference is between a single carriageway, dual carriageway, speed limits or national speed limits for each of them. Question 9. You're parked in a busy high street. What's the safest way to turn your vehicle around so you can drive in the opposite direction? So the question is telling us there's a busy high street and we're looking for a safe way to turn our vehicle around. Meaning we don't want to be doing it in the middle of the road on a busy high street. A lot happening there. So do we do it in a turnaround in a quiet side road? Ask someone to stop the traffic. We don't want to stop traffic. Yeah? Drive into a side road and reverse out into the main road. We don't want to reverse into the main road. Yeah, or carry out a U-turn. No, so turn around in a quiet side road. And the DVSA explanation, make sure you carry out the maneuver without causing a hazard to other vehicles. Choose a place to turn that's safe and consider other road users. Final question, what does this sign mean? No through road, no motor vehicles, end of bus lane or end of motorway. This sign means that when you see this sign, it's the end of a motorway. So make sure that you understand and know all your road signs. They may come up in your real theory test so that you're fully prepared.